What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Today I've got a really good one, so let's just jump into it. Shout out to Foot Locker. Always holding it down, doing it right. They already trying to jump out. Now, first off, before I get into it, y'all already know what it is. It's the Bred Toes. I don't know about y'all, but this was fairly easy for me to cop. I got these on the Foot Locker reserved, and I was able to win 2 other raffles, so I could have got 3 pair. I didn't want to take it away from people because I was seeing on like Twitter and everything, people were like having issues getting them, so I was like, I'll do good. I'll just let them, go to other people. I'm only gonna wear one. If I want another one, I'll just pick it up on StockX or something later on down the road. Now, I got a little bit of protection for this because y'all saw the last video with them gold toes. Y'all saw the devastation those caused when I opened up the box. So let's flash back to that. While y'all looking at that, I'm gonna get ready. Let's get it open. Alright, y'all. I'm ready. Check it out. Got the gloves, got the suit, got the little claw thing to be able to get this thing open without getting 3rd-degree burns. So, let's get into this. Alright. Doesn't look like there was that much. At least there wasn't a nuclear meltdown like the last one. That one was bad. So, there you go. These are the Jordan 1 Bred Toes OG High. Let me go ahead and take these gloves off real quick. Alright, we good now. Now, the quality on these is like the quality is real good. I'm going to have to, give them that. The quality is really good. It's A1. They knew that this was going to be a hike release, so they put in a little bit of effort on it. Now, you know how Foot Locker has them in that little glass case, like right when you walk in, to show them off like a week before they drop? Well, when I saw those, I was like, yo, those actually look halfway decent. The guy was like, yeah, man, it's Shattered Backboard quality, bro. It's Shattered Backboard quality. You could tell in the glass case it wasn't Shattered Backboard quality. I mean, just this right here, you can tell. I mean, it's tumbled, but it's like a kind of rough. Like, I don't really know how to put it. Like, it's just, it definitely isn't Shattered Backboard quality. I'll tell you that much, because in Shattered Backboards, this was soft. Everything was super soft. It was stiff where it needed to be stiff, but supple, and definitely not Shattered Backboard. They're definitely, like, the band ones, those were super soft in their own right, but those were, like, taking it back to 1985, how they did the leather and everything back then. That's why it was soft. But even those weren't Shattered Backboard quality. So, if you were to mix those with these, you could probably get Shattered Backboard quality. Like, if you took certain parts out, add certain parts, you'd get Shattered Backboard quality. These were, just shy of that. I mean, you got little things here and there that definitely took away from it. But ultimately, I mean, it's really good quality. These shoes are really good quality. It's a hybrid of the Band 1s and the Black Toe. There were a lot of people saying the Chicago ones and stuff, but no, it's the Black Toe and the Band 1s. I mean, it's mainly just comes down to this white right here, because I mean, this black and red, this is clearly all Band 1, but this white came from the Black Toe or the Chicago's, but because of this black right here, everybody just says the the black toe. So they also say it's got the Shattered Backboard colorway because it literally is the Shattered Backboard colorway with red instead of orange. So I guess because of that, people just wanted to go ahead and throw in Shattered Backboard quality as well, but definitely not. It's got the red bottoms. Can't go wrong with the red bottoms. And you get, as you saw, a red pair of laces. I really wish they would have thrown in a pair of creams too, because I have a feeling that cream would have gone real good with these. Like the Shattered Backboard 2.0s came with a cream pair and a black pair. The Shattered Backboards, I believe, they came with cream, black. I think they had an orange, but I doubt it. They wouldn't make an orange. But I can't remember because I had a pair and then I got rid of them. So I preferred to have the money back then because I wouldn't have ever worn them. So, but these are great for any collection. Everybody says that it was a mega release. It really was. If you look at the map right here of Foot Lockers that got them compared to Gold Toes, so many more. But because it was hyped, people were getting some sketch things. Like, I picked mine up at the South Park Mall Foot Locker, and you were only allowed one per customer, but there were customers in there picking up like 3 pair of men's because they had 3 different phones with 3 different reservations, and it was crazy. I could have caught 3 pairs from 3 different stores, but still, I decided against it. There were tons of people that I've seen that took mad L's on them. But in my opinion, if you really tried and really wanted them, you probably could have got them. But a lot of people don't have that leisure to be able to go to 3 or 4 different malls and have platinum VIP status and, stuff like that. That would give them that little edge to be able to get the reservation. So for y'all, I'm sorry, but cop them. If you want them, get them right now while the price is low, because these things are going to get right up there with the band ones and the Chicagos and stuff like that. So get them while the price is low. Get them on eBay, PayPal invoice instead of buying them. Whatever you got to do to get a little extra money knocked off the top, go ahead and cop them now. Otherwise, the price is just going to go crazy on them. So let's check out non-feet real quick, because these things are going to look fire on feet. These were great on feet. They're super comfortable, and the quality is better than I expected. I wore these for a minute. Look at the toes, no crease whatsoever. You can't beat that. You can't even ask for that on the band ones. Those things creased after the first time I wore them. So, did y'all cop these? And if so, how many pairs? Or did you take an L? And if you took an L, I'm really sorry you did, because it should have been to the point where everybody got them, but unfortunately, resellers got their hands on them. Coming March 24th is the OG Game Royal 1. How many of y'all got to cop those? Because I think I'm going to try for them just so I could do like a mix match with the Royal 1s. with those, you know, so I can do the bands with these Shattered Backboards with the 2.0s, kind of like a What the colorway. I think that'd be pretty cool, and I heard the quality is going to be like right up here with this, if not a little bit better, so let's hope for the best. Yeah, I mean, these were released in men's and GS sizes. You know, I was really hoping for kids so I could get one for the kid coming, but can't get everything, you know, and I wasn't about to buy a GS size because with how long he's going to have to wait till he can fit into that, it just wouldn't be worth it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on my social media. Links are in the descriptions. Check this link out, whichever side it pops up on. Say you can check out about the sneaker giveaway when you hit 1,000 subs. Yeah, and you gotta follow, you gotta subscribe. That way we can get up there. The sooner the better. And you know, I'm gonna post that poll on my social media and on the next video description. So that way, if you're following me, you know which video it is, so you can jump on that. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good one. I got some bomb sneakers on the way, including some 1-600s that are going to be here tomorrow. So you got to stay tuned for that. Those are going to be great. So I hope y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.